Hi, I'm Brenda Thompson, registered dietitian. In this segment, I'm going to talk about why it is important to be at a healthy weight and at what rate you should lose weight. According to the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, a third of the U.S. population is obese. That is over 72 million people. Obesity is a concern due to the increased chances of developing secondary lifelong health complications such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, depression, high blood pressure, sleep apnea, and some cancers. Maintaining a healthy weight decreases the risk of developing these complications. There are billions of dollars in healthcare costs spent each year due to obesity and overweight complications. Losing weight at a healthy rate of 1 to 2 pounds a week on the average should always, absolutely always, be the goal when losing weight to be healthy and to keep the weight off. People who lose more than 2 pounds a week on the average are likely to be losing water and muscle. And like I said, it's 2 pounds on the average. So if you change your diet and exercise regimen and begin to lose weight, the first week you may lose 5 pounds, and then the second week you may not lose any, and the week after that you may lose 1. And so that would be 2 pounds on the average a week.